Hey, good afternoon. This is James. It's Friday afternoon, and I wanted to go through a quick little tutorial on LibertyWare. And with their, you're going to get this email and their website and order form. First, we'll go to the order form. Open it up in a bigger screen here. Bring that over. So you can see here when you scroll down through here, it does mark everything that's low inventory, blacked out if it's not available any longer. Pretty easy order form to follow and fill out. If you do find something in their collection that is not listed over here, there's additional space on the bottom to add that in. That's all I really need to say about the order form. Um, the next part of this is going to be the website, and go through this real quick. If you click on here, you're going to get this screen right here, Fall Biker Ready, asking for your email. Put my email in there, submit. And I will get an email that'll pop up here in just a couple of seconds. It didn't take very long, but now that I'm doing a video, it'll probably take a little bit longer. Just bear with me here. Apparel Magic, do your magic. I was afraid this might happen. Anyway, uh, there it goes. Okay. So now I got it, accept invitation and bone and white, and I'm in. So now I can see all the different styles, how many pieces are in each style or each size for that particular style. If you want to see more detailing, you can click on the style itself, see the back view, come in here, add your numbers in here for what you might like to purchase in this item, add it to cart, and then you can click out of here right here. Just go down through the whole line. Starts out with long sleeves, hoodies, and cardigans. Then goes down into additional long sleeves, um, biker short sleeves, and all the way down to tanks. So that's just a real quick overview. Once you're done, you can view your cart and log out. But I just wondered, if you're a new buyer and you hadn't seen this before or haven't looked at LibertyWare before, it's a real easy tutorial and easy how to get into the site itself. And I am going to be sending you this email, which will have all of this on it. Great. Have a good day, and thanks for paying attention. Bye. James out.